Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is nutrition for nurses, and today we are going to discuss about vitamin B3, niacin. Now this niacin is a water soluble vitamin. This is also known as vitamin B3. Now the dietary requirement of niacin is 20 mg. For adult it is 20 mg per day, but in case of pregnant or lactating mother we want 25 mg per day. Now, from where we will get this niacin? Niacin is also required in a very small quantity, but its present in a rich source is dried yeast, liver, parboiled rice and peanuts. The good sources are whole cereals, legumes, meat and fish, and the fair sources are milled cereals, root, tubers, other vegetables, milk and egg. Okay, now what's the function of this niacin? Now niacin is also very important to promote the health of your skin and all the other body tissues. Now niacin also helps to get the energy from carbohydrate, lipid and fat. Now niacin is also essential for your certain stomach secretions. Now how the absorption and storage will take place of this niacin? Now niacin is readily absorbed in the intestine through the portal vein. It enter into the body general circulation and reach all the body tissues. Now there is no specific area that where this niacin will be stored. In case of extra niacin is secreted, that will be discarded, excreted out through the urine. There is no storage of niacin will occur. That's why we need to supply this niacin through the food item what we are eating. Okay. Now next, what's the deficiency disorder in case of niacin is not taken properly in their diet? Okay. Now the deficiency disorder is called pellagra. The vitamin B3 deficiency disorder. The deficiency of vitamin B3 or the deficiency of niacin leads to pellagra. I mean, pellagra is a condition where you can see mainly 3 Ds: dermatitis, diarrhea, dementia. Now dermatitis is a condition where you feel rapid change in your skin, allergy, lesions when it exposed to the sun. Also you can see a certain parts like elbow, like joint kind of areas, surface of arm, knees where you can find the lesions. Also at the beginning it will be a reddening, thickening and pigmentation. Later it will spread everywhere and it looks like a butterfly appearance. Next D is diarrhea. Diarrhea, here they will have a excessive pass of motion, stool. Because of that patient feels tired, dry mouth and coated tongue can be seen. Then later D was dementia. Dementia is a condition where they are having mental impairment, global impairment of the thinking, personality, memory, and there is no loss of consciousness. Now this dementia will be common among all these patients who suffers with pellagra. Usually if you see a dementia, it's a psychiatric condition. It can be seen only in a patient who is above 60 or 70 years of age. But if a very young person, he is a victim of niacin deficiency pellagra, then in that patient also we can see dementia. Okay. Now, if you consume excessively, hyper, what happens? This condition is known as hypervitaminosis niacin, where here the large dose cause flushing by dilating the blood vessels. Also, it helps to drop the blood pressure. Okay, usually this hypervitaminosis condition is very rare. Very rare we can notice this. Apart from that, that's all about your niacin. So once again I would like to revise. Niacin is a water soluble vitamin. B3, it's important for the essential function of your get energy from carbohydrate, fat and protein. Also it is essential for your stomach secretion and it is required as a coenzymes. Now the dietary sources are dry yeast, liver, parboiled rice, whole cereals, legumes, meat, fish, roots, fruits and other vegetables. The dietary requirement is how much? 6.6 niacin per kg 1000 kilocalories. That means 20 mg per day for adult. Additional 25 mg extra is required for the pregnant and who is that? Lactating mother. The deficiency disorder of niacin is pellagra. In that mainly 3 Ds, dermatitis, dementia and diarrhea. I hope you understood. Please keep watching and please follow the video so that you are able to understand all this vitamin and your nutrition so that you can do well in your exams. I say thank you and see you all. Bye.